Hey friends, it's Pat here. I want to share with you what we're doing in the Make Your Mark mentorship this month. In May, we are taking a deep dive into blooms, and I want to share a little bit about it with you. I think it's something that you might really be interested in. Take a look. Yeah, this one flows much better, so it must be thinner. So just in essence, doing a little bit of drawing on top of these. So it should be thin enough so it flows, so you don't have to really be squeezing it. So again, freedom. You want to be playful with this. You don't have too much control because of the squeezing as you go. That is just a small piece of our first exercise. If this is something that hits home with you and you'd like to explore more, I'm inviting you to come along for a free month in my membership. No obligation to stay, but if you like it and you want to connect with other like-minded artists, it might just be a fit for you. The link is in the description below. I hope to see you there.